Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to my students of Green Valley Schools. Hope you are fine. Stay at home, stay safe, read books, don't waste your time unnecessarily. Last video where I was discussing with you about the history of viruses, we stopped at the invention of electron microscope by Max Knoll and Ernst Ruska, the German engineers. I just wanted to show you a type of electron microscope, transmission electron microscope. Can you see this picture? Transmission electron microscope where the viruses are easily visible. Now continuing the history of viruses, again it dates back to 18th century where Adolf Meyer was studying about tobacco disease, again in tobacco plant. He named this disease as tobacco mosaic. These studies were continued by Dmitry Ivanovsky, where he said these plants are infected by a very small organism other than bacteria, which is very infectious. Based on the study of Dmitry Ivanovsky, Martinus Beijerinck further studied in detail about this and stated that these organisms are very poisonous and named it as viruses. Now, getting back into the history of viruses, if we see during 1967, there was a virus called Marburg viruses which were leaked accidentally in German laboratories and it caused an outbreak in Germany. Later, the same virus in 98 and 2000, we saw the outbreak in Republic of Congo and Angola. Then, during 1976, Ebola virus, we saw the first outbreak of Ebola virus in the Republic of Sudan. Then smallpox virus, it dates back to nearly 100 years ago. 3 million people were killed around the globe by smallpox virus. Then we have hantavirus, dating back again. Hantavirus was first identified in United States of America in 1993. There was a small outbreak in 1993. Then we have influenza virus, which was commonly called as Spanish flu in 1918, which caused nearly 50 million people during the outbreak. Then we have dengue virus dating back again in 1950s. There was an outbreak of dengue virus in Philippines and Thailand. We have rotavirus during the year 2008. It had caused nearly 4,53,000 children's lives. Rotavirus targets only children, it infects only children that too below the age of 5. Then recently, if you see a decade ago, we have the outbreak of SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome virus, during 2002 in China, in 2003 in India and other parts of the globe as well. Then we have in 2006 Avian influenza virus, which is also called as bird flu virus. In 2006, same year, we have chikungunya and dengue outbreak in India. Then in 2017, we had Zika virus outbreak all over the globe. Then 2018, we had Nipah virus outbreak. Then in 2019, December onwards, until now, we are all fighting with the novel coronavirus. If you see generalized thing, viruses are very dangerous. And usually we get a question when we say that please wash your hands thoroughly with soap or use sanitizer to clean your hands, and we say that virus gets killed if it is in hand if you wash properly with soap. So many questions might arise in our mind saying that if an ordinary soap kills the coronavirus in hand, then why we don't have treatment? For this, I can just say you that outside the host, that is outside the body, viruses are nothing. They are nothing. They have what they have? Only a viral chromosome or a genetic material, either DNA or RNA. Usually coronaviruses RNA. No cytoplasm, no plasma membrane, nothing it is having. Then this virus, when it comes in contact with the host cells, it enters either through mouth, nose, eyes. When it gets inside the body, it uses the ribosomes of the host. It synthesizes the proteins. It makes exact copy of itself. It multiplies into thousands of different viruses. Thousands of viruses are produced of same copy, same RNA. It infects all over the body. This happens with viruses. Why? Because they utilize the ribosomes of our body. I'm repeating again. Hence, viruses are dangerous. Outside the body, they are nothing. So please, I request especially children, wash your hands, be clean, be hygienic. It will not infect us. Continuing to the viruses, in my later videos, you're going to see actually how a viral structure is. What is the difference between DNA virus and RNA virus? How the viral infection starts actually. I request all my Green Valley students to be safe, stay at home, listen to your parents, and please be hygienic, eat proper food on time. Please, because this is holidays for you, you might get up very late, don't do like that. Please have breakfast properly on time, lunch properly on time, dinner on proper time. Please maintain your health properly. Thank you very much. I'll discuss with you about viruses again in my next video. Thank you.